In this video, you will learn how to find and use your RBC Virtual Visa Debit. First, finding your RBC Virtual Visa Debit card. First, log into your RBC mobile app. Open the RBC mobile app and log in to your client card number and using your password. Then, select your primary checking account. Manage cards. Tap on Manage Card page. Usually, you have to click on the menu icon. Select the primary client card number. After that, activate your Virtual Visa Debit card. To use activating your card, follow the prompts on screen to review the terms and securely activate your card. After that, use RBC Virtual Card. Online shopping. When making online purchases, select Visa or Visa Debit as your payment method. Then provide your RBC Virtual Visa Debit number, expiry date, and the code on the back. In the app purchases, you can also add RBC Virtual Visa Debit card to your mobile wallet for easier and faster in-app purchases. International shopping. Use your Virtual Visa Debit card to make purchases in the US or internationally with merchants where Visa is accepted. 24/7 protection. Enjoy zero liability protection and 24/7 fraud control for secure transactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.